Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and taking care of yourselves. Welcome back to the English second mulberry classes of class 3rd. Student, in the previous videos we have completed lesson number 1 and 2. Now today I'm going to start with poem which is on page number 51. So all of you please take out your books and open page number 51. Here it is. The name of the poem is At Sea in the House. At sea in the house. So, have you ever imagined certain things in your house to be something else? First of all, let me clear you the meaning of imagine. Imagine means formed a picture in your mind of what something might be like. So, have you ever imagined certain things in your house to be something else? Let us read the poem to see what tables, chairs, and a carpet can turn into if we pretend. So, student, in this poem, the boy is imagining of a sea in the house. The poem depicts how a young boy imagines a sea at his own house. Let us see how the boy relates to different things he sees on the sea. And the poem is written by Stanley Cook. So, let us read the poem and understand what is being said over here. So, first of all, I'll read all the lines of the poem and then I'll make you to understand it. When I pretend them to be, the tables and chairs are land where you can safely stand, and the carpet between is sea. The dining table makes a boat, and I climb on there by the way of the rocking chair, and out to sea we float. The pattern in the carpet swims like fish on the floor, and anyone opening the door is sure to get wet. So, by looking at the picture also, you all can recognize that the boy is imagining his own house and the things which is in his house, like sea things. Okay. So, I hope and I'm pretty sure that being a kid, you all have imagined certain things, and you all have compared the things which are available in your house with some other things as well. Okay, so I'm going to start with the first stanza, right? Here it is. When I pretend them to be, the tables and chairs are land where you can safely stand, and the carpet between is sea. So, for the boy, what the tables and chairs are? The tables and chairs are land, right? So, in the beginning of the poem, he pretends that the tables and the chair of his house to be a land where he can safely stand, and the carpet between is sea. And then what he is imagining? He is imagining that the carpet between the table and chairs is sea. Okay. Now, second stanza. The dining table makes a boat, and I climb on there by the way of the rocking chair, and out to sea we float. Now, in this stanza of the poem, the dining table turns into a boat in his imagination, right? Where he can climb onto a rocking chair. Why do you think? Why he uses a rocking chair to climb on the boat? Can you think, student? Yes, I'll tell you. He uses rocking chair because he is small in height as compared to the dining table. So, he used a rocking chair. He stepped on the rocking chair first and then he climbed on the boat. Have you seen a rocking chair? Rocking chair is a type of chair which keeps on moving, right? So, what the boy does? He just used the rocking chair to step on that dining table because he is comparing the dining table as a boat. Now, and out to sea we float. Float. What is the meaning of float here? Float means to move slowly on the surface of water. So when he just compared this dining table as a boat, he is thinking that his boat is just floating on this water. Right, I'm pretty sure that with the help of paper also you all have just made boats sometimes, paper boats, and boats you float on the water. In the same way, when the boy imagines the boat, when the boy imagines the dining table as boat, he thinks that his boat is floating on the water. Okay. Now, moving to the next stanza. The pattern in the carpet swims like fish on the floor, and anyone opening the door is sure to get very wet. Now, what is the meaning of pattern? Pattern means design. Okay, so in this last stanza of the poem, the pattern in the carpet pretends to be the fish which are swimming in the sea, and he puts a stop to his imagination by saying that whoever will enter in the room will surely get wet. As according to his imagination, he was floating on a boat in the sea, means the carpet is the sea according to him. So anyone who enters the room will step on the carpet first, which is a sea hair, and will surely get wet. Right, student? So such a playful imagination he has. Okay. I hope with the picture also you all can see that the boy is standing on this boat. So he just imagining the dining table as his boat and the carpet as sea and the patterns, the design which is made on carpet as fishes. Okay. So I hope you all have enjoyed the poem, right? Now, in homework, what you all need to do is you all have to write down this poem in your fair notebook. What you all have to do? You all have to note down this poem in your fair notebook, right? And the next work which you have to do is word meanings. This also you have to do in your fair notebook. One by one, I'll read for you. Number one, imagine. Form the picture in your mind of what something might be like. Number two, pretend. To imagine that something is true as a part of a game. Number third, float. To move slowly on the surface of water. Number four, pattern. Design. And the last one, drifted snow. Snow shaped by the wind into a mound or heap. Okay, so you all have to do this work. Okay, now in the next video we'll meet again with the remaining portion. Till then, all of you stay home, stay safe and take care.